Hi, this is GBPUSD and today it's Thursday, 22nd of August 2013 and the time is 9:07 GMT. We are looking at the H4 time frame of the pair. I'm using what else? Ichimoku Kinko here, my favorite system, and let me recap here for you. The turquoise line is our long entry line, the long entry line level according to our signal. This light blue line here is our stop loss placement line for the pair, and we see that the pair has made a bearish move. We gave you the signal just when we saw that the price crossed above Tenkan-sen. It was above Kijun-sen, but we also saw that it crossed above Tenkan-sen, and we expected to see an upward move, but we were not we didn't respect our M15 rule, and we didn't exit as soon as we saw a reversal there. As soon as we saw, let me go to M15, that price, you see here, the price crossed below the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen on M15. We didn't exit here, we stayed in long. This is what I call the human factor in losses, in trade losses in Forex. And to my opinion, 99% of losses happen due to human factor. We just don't follow certain rules. We are taken carried away, that's human nature of course, by markets momentum, by markets big moves, big waves. Please try to stick to the rules, okay? We wouldn't have made much, we wouldn't have made a lot of money, a lot of pips, but 20, 30 pips, I think 40 pips. 40 pips would be perfect instead of going now through all this psychological drama, waiting for the pair to reverse. But let me go back and show you some facts. I'm back to H4 again, and I want you to see something with me. We have zoomed out. Zooming out, you get a clearer picture of the pair. Let me see if zooming out more. No, it's okay. It's okay as it is. So, what do we have here? We have an uptrend. You see that the big picture is an upward moving pair and an upward sloping Kumo, although we had some breaks here. On an uptrend, what do we have? The definition of uptrend is that there is an uptrend where price is making higher highs and higher lows, okay? Is it possible for the price to go only up during an uptrend? No, it always makes bearish moves, it always makes corrections, it always makes lows, but they are higher than the previous, okay? If you ever see a pair making only bullish candlesticks on its uptrend with no bearish candlesticks, invite me please to that planet, or tell me what you're drinking. I want to drink the same thing with you, okay? It never happens. We always have bearish candlesticks in an uptrend, and we always have bullish candlesticks in a downtrend. It's nature. It's a natural thing to happen. Would you ever watch a price, the pair going up, giving you pips without tempting to cash out some of your profits? If you didn't do that, and if you are 96 years old and very interesting man, yes, I'm in love with you. Don't do that, okay? Unless you're filthy rich and you don't care, because always, always, always price makes corrections. People want to take out some of their profits. They ride the trade, they ride the trend, they go with the trend, but they stop from time to time to take out some of their profits. It's like you are going up in a multi-stories building, and you go up from the stairs, and you go up for the first floor, second floor, third floor. You want to stop and catch your breath. You may the price goes a few steps down too, and then it continues going up to the next floor, moving to the next floor. Okay, we have a big stair here. Can you see this? There is a stair. Price always moves up, then five stairs up, 2 stairs down, 6 stairs up, 3 stairs down, 7 stairs up, 4 stairs down. Okay, this is how it goes. So to me, as I see it, pair is going to make a higher low. Okay, this is the previous higher low, and this is the one which is just forming now. Now, do you see something below the price right here? Yes, it's Kumo, and Kumo represents the equilibrium zone. In other words, Kumo represents support for an uptrend and resistance for a downtrend. So what do I expect to see? I expect to see the price in worst case scenario nailed inside the Kumo and then bouncing off out of it and going up again. Okay, that's why I have placed my stop well inside the Kumo's body, so that price will find a lot of support before reaching my stop, and in the meantime I will have the time to protect it if I believe that the biases remain bullish, because they are bullish. Let's go to daily chart and see why. Yes, on daily chart we see that there is a flat top Kumo, which is a magnet, and it's going to attract the price. Okay, but I don't worry much, because the leading Kumo has a definitely upward slope, and unless I see something terribly bearish happening here, I would expect price to escape the magnetic attraction for now. I'm not afraid that something like this, which happened before, will happen here. I see that the lower border of the Kumo here has a different morphology than how it was in previous cases. I believe that biases remain bullish here. Let's go to the weekly chart. We see that there is a very thin resistance line here from Kumo for the price to break through and make a successful bullish Kumo breakout on the weekly chart. And price is like the water. It goes everywhere where the least resistance is. It follows the route of less resistance or less support. Okay, so it will break through here. it's preferable to break out and go up. It's easier for the price than keep falling. But of course, this is the market. The market is the ocean, and we are just observers, and we have to respect it. Maybe what I see may be proven that will work otherwise, but for now I believe and I think, I assume that price will manage to resume its uptrend. There are too many and too strong weekly bullish candlesticks here that are enough to present a strong bullish conviction for the prices, for the pair's intentions. Okay, on the monthly chart we see that maybe the price will go through touching this cave's upper wall here, where there is some space till they find the resistance, till it finds the resistance of the Kumo. And maybe it will go up, down, up, down, up, down for a few months till it finds its way through this point here, break through and make a bullish Kumo breakout. We will see. We will see, because there is a big body of a bearish Kumo above the price here. But we have seen the price in a consolidation for long, and the energy which is accumulated on this coil, on this spring, is huge. The dynamic energy. Imagine a spring which is it is contracted. Imagine how much energy it has, and when you let it expand, imagine the power of the breakout when this happens. It may be downwards, it may be upwards. We will see. We can say 100% that it will be to one direction, but when it happens, it will be huge. For now, let's go back to H4. We see that now we are trapped inside the trade because we didn't exit with 40 pips profit, and we stayed in. Okay, such little accidents happen in trade all the time. What do? Since we are negative in red zone, not in green zone of profits now, we evaluate our risk using bigger time frames. Then since we didn't use the smaller time frame M15 to pop out with profit, to exit with profits, we now are in and we monitor the trade from H4. So we need to see to manage our risk using the bigger time frame. The next bigger time frame is D1, is daily time frame, and on the daily time frame we see that price is approaching Tenkan-sen, but theoretically it should cross below Tenkan-sen, and it should also go and cross Kijun-sen for us to know that everything has turned bearish. I don't think it will. This will happen. Our stop loss is between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen on the daily chart. So I believe that even if price crosses below Tenkan-sen, we will have the time to evaluate the market's situation and see if it's worthy taking the risk to trail our stop lower to protect our stop, or to exit and minimize our losses. But till then, I believe that we have reasons to stay long and wait. This is it. Thanks for watching and happy pips.